All you need to know, Gokarna. Gokarna, a cooler version of Goa. Fed up of Goa's crowded beaches and overfull pubs? There's an alternative just 5 hours away. A tiny coastal town in Karnataka, Gokarna is a beach lover's paradise. Its 4 main beaches, Om Beach, Kudle Beach, Half Moon Beach and Paradise Beach are all you need to escape the chaos of the city. Spend your days watching kaleidoscopic sunsets while gorging on delicious Indian and continental food at Gokarna's many beach shacks. How to reach Gokarna? Gokarna, despite its remoteness, is well connected to India's major cities. By air, Dabolim Airport in Goa, about 140 kilometers away, is the nearest airport. You can easily get a taxi from the airport to ferry you to Gokarna. By train, the nearest railway station is 20 kilometers away in Ankola. Trains from several cities like Mumbai, Bangalore and Chennai halt at this station. By road, KSRTC buses fly to Gokarna from Bangalore, Mangalore and other cities in Karnataka. If you're coming from Goa, you can board a bus from Madgaon. When to visit? The best time to visit Gokarna is from October to March, when the weather is pleasant and the sea is relatively calm. In April and May, the humidity rises, making it a bit uncomfortable. Avoid visiting Gokarna during the rainy season. The sea becomes rather rough and choppy. Plus, the beaches become isolated and unkempt with limited food options. Things to do. The pace of life in Gokarna is relaxed, making it the perfect place to unwind. Here's how you can pamper your senses in the beach town. Relax on the beaches. Head to one of Gokarna's 4 beaches, set up your towel and umbrella and just lie down. Let the waves tickle your toes and let the breeze blow away your worries. Get an Ayurvedic spa. There are plenty of spas in Gokarna offering indulgent massages that will leave you loose-limbed and at peace. The prices are pretty competitive too, but make sure you check how safe and clean the spa is before settling down for your session. See the blue phytoplanktons. Embark on a night stroll along the Nirvana beach and you'll get to witness the most magnificent sight of your life. Thousands of glistening phytoplanktons light up the beach in a blue radiance that cameras simply cannot do justice to. Visit the Mahabaleshwar temple. Soak in the beauty of fine Dravidian culture at this ancient Shiva temple. The pilgrimage won't take up too much of your time and is definitely worth the effort. Go on a banana boat ride. If you're hoping to feel the adrenaline pumping through your veins, sign up for a banana boat ride. This is one of the most fun things to do in Gokarna and will leave you feeling like a child again. Where to stay? Gokarna has options to suit all budgets. Whether you are a backpacker or a luxury traveler, you'll find something that you like. Budget hotels. Some of the best budget hotels in Gokarna are the Bougainvillea, Sri Sri Resort and Namaste Samudra Yoga House. If you prefer hostels and homestays, check out Tripper and Hostel La Vie. Luxury stays. If you can stretch your budget a bit, Vedic Village, Han China Main Homestay and Stonewood Nature Resort are great options. 3 days are more than enough to make the most of Gokarna's offerings. You'll come back feeling lightheaded and with a spring in your step. If you liked this video, let us know by leaving a comment and share it with your travel buddies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration.